Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are installing the pedal. It's a manual pedal. When I first got the pedals, they were for a right-hand drive car. So what I did is took out the automatic, had someone cut off about right here, and then I had them weld it on to the left-hand drive mount. This is the right-hand drive one. If you have a look here, it's pretty similar, but the mounting position and the angle just doesn't sit right. And also there's no bends here. Also, this is a right-hand drive clutch pedal as well. Also forgot to mention, if you are trying to attempt this, there's a backing plate, or where the pedal mounts to on the firewall. The right-hand drive version is actually longer, so you want to keep your left-hand drive one. All you got to do is take off the C-clip at the end of this rod. They both sit flush inside here. They both sit the same. So all you gotta do is put the spring on like so. Back plate goes on, and there's this little hole here. I don't know if you can see that. It just goes on like that. Not the C-clip. Like that. Pedal is in now. Look at the level. It just looks so much better and in height with the brake. The clutch is a little bit forward, but I'm fine with that. Yet again, this is a right-hand drive pedal, so is that. And I mean, you can't really go wrong. Parts are becoming harder to find and shit like that, but I say it looks pretty decent. Just another update as well. The header is back on, same with the airbox here. Just wanted to show you guys that. Trans is in. I'll throw a clip in there for you guys later, so you guys can see it actually working. I'll be throwing in the exhaust shortly. I want to get it started and see if there is any check engine lights. Before, when it did start, there were, just because it's not reading any O2s and stuff like that. But at least the wiring is somewhat correct because the car started, right? Exhaust is back in. I still have to put the O2 back through the car. There is a plug right there. I just unplugged it from the harness because this shit is rusty as fuck. I also have to make some mounts for the cross member here. I use the excessive one. It isn't like a perfect fit because it's for like the R154 or whatever the fuck it is. You guys watch like Hooligans and you know their donk build. What I'm gonna do is use the same concept with the hockey pucks, just to isolate it a little bit more. And other than that, I'm just waiting on the drive shaft and stuff like that. But let's get the O2 back in and connect it, and then we will start the car. A tip for you guys, if you perch the carpet up onto the AC vent, you're able to move the wire more freely. For me, right now, it seems like it's near the end. I'll bring it out and plug it back in just now. Exhaust is on. O2s are in. Well, plugged in. Let's start it up and see if there's any O2 sensors. Check engine light is on for something. Let's check it out. You have a P0340 C121 whatever. So that pretty much sums it up for this video. I just wanted to get the exhaust on to see if there is still a check engine light. Car does run, you guys saw that. So I guess the wiring is okay for now. What's left to do pretty much is the cross member. Get that sorted out and then order the drive shaft and button everything else back up. Can't wait to drift this shit. Alright, later.